Can you see it? Can you see the particles? I'm going to bring it closer. Do you see the particles? People tell me I'm different. I go, no, I'm not the same. Raphael, I look for things. I look for things that I see. If I can see, another can see, and somebody can tell me why. They're the scientists. They know. But if there's a reality to why, okay, and how come, then the truth is this whole world is about what we don't know, what they do know, and what we can do with it once we know, like someone like me going, what is that? And the person will say, it's X, Y, and Z. And I go, wow. In layman terms, X, Y, and Z says, I can take that because I feel it and I hear it. And I can relate it to something else. At what point can we use this element? Am I different? Or am I not the same? I'm working on a few things. One of them is the size of the cross. The other one is the reason for the double cross and the coffin. In fact, maybe I'll include it in this video of 1 minute and show you exactly what I'm talking about. But since I didn't design it and I haven't gone through the theory yet, I think I'm going to let it go to the next video. I haven't been on very much. I'm busy cleaning up the apartment, and I don't have the same mentality as I had yesterday and all of the yesterdays, the day before today, whichever day that was, in which, oh my God, I do write it down. I'm not getting as much information because I'm not really looking, and whatever I do, I'm instantly putting it on or I'm jotting it down. And since I'm not falling behind because my mind is calmer and I'm not afraid to not bump in. Before I was like, oh my God, I noticed this and I see this and I know I'm not going to forget anything. And whatever little thing I wrote down, even though it's been about, let's say, 2 weeks right now, and I never thought I'd go this long without actually pulverizing myself. I also came up with other things, like, how can you ever forget 18 times 18? Hey, look, I'm a ventriloquist. I'm not even moving my lips. All you see is my whiskers moving. Look, are my lips moving? It's my hand. Look at my hand. Hello. Let's use the other hand. Hello. How are you? Ho, 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 ho. It's my hand talking. You can't see my lips. You only see my jaw moving, but it's my hand. Look, can't you see it moving as I talk? Okay. So I'm not forgetting that there's so much stuff that even if I don't think of something today, but if I do, I'm going to write it down and do it. But I'm not worried that if I don't get the information, that I'm going to lose that information, because I have a 10-minute video on this paper over here. Whatever you can make for it, you want to start without me, here it is. Another video I've been putting together is ABC123. There are so many things that work with ABC123. It is just incredible. There are so many things that work with DEF, definition of the Federation. It's just so incredible. And there's so many things that go at 7, 8, 9. It's just so incredible. E and R and E and T, S and S and T, combinations that work both ways. We see E and R and E for tear, which means earth, or to rip something, T-E-A-R. The difference between coffee and tea, the enormity of how much information is out there, but we haven't scientifically taken it together in the puzzle. That's what Mr. Takpans does. He takes all the puzzles of the world, of all the science, science in sports, sports science, the games within the games, and the pit bosses, and whatever has to happen in order for something to happen. The reality comes as I sit here and you're watching me right now. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for the square world.